Hi, welcome back to another video. It's a very quick Stock Lock Sunday on Monday morning. Weekends are pretty busy just now, school holidays, good weather, family time. Still wanted to do one. So we have a red master lockout tag out today. Done one like this in the past for the yellow. I've got about 8 of the yellow ones and the bitting on them is really good. Tricky little locks to get into. However, I did pick this up a couple of weeks ago, and as you can see, the bitting on this isn't the best. That 5th pin's just pretty much non-existent. So without a shadow, let's get the vise in and see if I can get this open. Like I say, quick one today. I've got a few more videos to come next day or so stay tuned. Sort of video stroke review. I've been getting some new stuff arriving at the house, so I'll showcase what I've picked up. Bottom of the keyway tension. I'm using a lot of lock tools. Nice shallow hook. Gorgeous pick. One of a few that I've collected recently. Do like the feedback that you get from these. Full set there. Working at the front pins just now. Counter rotation. Look at those. And we're in. Apologies for the outbreak of dog noise in the background if you heard it. Neighbours and dogs just enjoying the sunshine. There we go. Red Master LOTO. Thanks for watching. Like I say, some more videos to come soon. If you like this and you want to see more, then subscribe, leave a comment, give me some feedback. Whatever floats your boat. Thanks for watching. Cheers.